Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your part 9 from the basic parts, and this will be the hexagon. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. So now, like I mentioned, we are still busy on the basic parts, and the next one we're going to be looking at is the hexagon. As you'll see a lot the shape when you're using actual bolts and nuts. And yeah, let's just head right into it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to flat parts, zoom here again, and then once we click this, we want to look for part 9. So we're going to go on top here, we've got the P9, and we can see here it's got two measurements, an A and a B. So then if I open this, oh, A and R, my problem. My apologies. So then yeah, we can zoom in here and we can see what they do. So A is going to set the height and width, and then R is going to set these corners, how round you want them. So let's go, we try and make one 300 perhaps, and then the corners, obviously if you make this number quite high, eventually you're going to basically have a circle. But I'm just going to make this, maybe let's go about 40 to 50. I'm going to go about 40. Say okay, and then we've got a nice preview here, so you can see we've got a nice rounding here. You can obviously leave this at 0 if you want a nice sharp edge, or increase it a bit like I mentioned if you want a bit smoother. Now I'm just going to go manual quantity, make this 1, and then we click add. Now shape here, we can see the shape is correct. We add part, and now we can see we've got our hexagon here. Now obviously our hexagon consists of many different, you can almost say shapes, but this is a very basic primitive version of it. So I'm going to place this in here, and then yeah, we've got our shape. So we've already covered the circle, basically the ring, rectangle or square depending on your dimensions, and then now the basic hexagon. But yeah, before we move to the next part, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.